To edit your fonts, select Edit, and then the Site Styles icon. From here, select Fonts to choose a font pack. Click Customize to view more options. These font packs come with sans serif, serif, or mixed options for each style setting. If you'd like to tweak a specific font, go to the Styles panel and click the arrow next to Fonts. Click the text type you want to change: headings, paragraphs, buttons, or miscellaneous, and the font name will appear at the top. Here you can use the various styling options. You can also click on any text on the page preview and automatically bring up that specific font option. If you'd like to customize even further, click Custom. You can style font elements like weight, line height, letter spacing, and size. To upload your own custom fonts, select the font name and then click the Upload icon. This will allow you to use custom fonts that aren't currently available within Squarespace. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.